Write the problem on ammeter. A galvanometer, a galvanometer, a galvanometer, galvanometer has a current, 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 range of 15 milliampere, 15 milliampere, 15 milliampere, and voltage range, and voltage range, and voltage range, and voltage range, voltage range 750 millivolt. To convert into a ammeter, to convert into a ammeter, to convert into a ammeter of range, of range 25 ampere, 25 ampere. The shunt required, the shunt required is, shunt required is multiple choice A, that is 0.03 ohm, B 0.3 ohm, C 0.01 ohm, D 0.04 ohm. A galvanometer has a current range of 15 milliampere. गॅलॉनोमीटरची रेंज 50 मिलीॲम्पियर दिली. ज्यावेळेस आपण व्होल्टेज रेंज इज अबाउट 750 मिलीव्होल्ट अप्लाय केल्यानंतर टू कन्वर्ट इंटू ॲमीटर ऑफ रेंज टू 25 एम्पियर. गॅलॉनोमीटर 15 मिलीॲम्पियर इतकं करंट पास केला की ते फुल स्केल डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवतं, पण आपल्याला मोजायचं किती 25 एम्पियर इतका करंट. तर या गॅलॉनोमीटरला किती ओहमचा पॅरलल रेजिस्टन्स, शंट रेजिस्टन्स इथे कनेक्ट करावं लागेल असं तो म्हणतो. म्हणजे किती ओहमचा लो रेजिस्टन्स या गॅलॉनोमीटर कॉइलला पॅरललमध्ये कनेक्ट करावं लागेल, तर तो 25 एम्पियर इतका करंट मेजर करेल. म्हणजे यस काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. काय गिवन आहे, करंट रेंज ऑफ गिवन इज IG इक्वल टू 15 milliampere, 15 milliampere, that is IG is equal to 15 milli as 10⁻³ ampere. Range, voltage range is 750 millivolt, 750 म्हणजे व्ही दिलाय 750 मिलीव्होल्ट, 10⁻³ व्होल्ट, that is 75 into 10⁻² व्होल्ट. I is given 25 एम्पियर मेजर करायचं आहे करंट, तर शंट किती असेल. The formula is, that is IG, out of the current I, the I minus IG be the current pass through the low resistance and IG be the current pass through the galvanometer. That is Ig, I minus Ig into S is equal to Ig into G, or S equal to Ig G divided by I minus Ig. S equal to Ig into G divided by I minus Ig. Ig is known, G is not known, but V is known. Then we have to find the V equal to Ig into G, Ig into G, or G equal to V upon Ig, V upon Ig. Vb is 75 ohm volt, 75 into 10 raised to minus 2, and Ig is 15 milliampere, 15 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 15×75 म्हणजेच 50 ओहम. Galvanometer, we have to find first of all the resistance of galvanometer, that is equal to the 50 ohm. Then we have to put the values in that equation. S equal to Ig into G divided by I minus Ig, I minus Ig, that is equal to S equal to, what is Ig? That is 15 into 10 raised to minus 3. G is 50 milliamp, 50 ohm. I is what? 25 minus Ig 15 milliampere, 15 into 10 raised to minus 3, 15 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is S equal to 15 5s are 75 into 750 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 25 minus that is 0.015, 0.015, that's equal to S equal to 25 0.015 ये 5 8 9, that is 75 into 10 raised to minus 2, 75 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by difference 25 minus 0.015, that is nearly equal to 25, 24.985 is exactly 75 divided by 24.985, that is nearly equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 ohm. That is equal to 0.03 ohm. The multiple choice A is correct. Multiple choice A is correct. Okay. The second problem, the resistance of galvanometer. The resistance of galvanometer. Resistance of galvanometer. Resistance of galvanometer is 25 ohm. 25 ohm, and it requires requires 50 microampere minus 6 ampere for a full scale deflection for full scale deflection. The value of shunt resistance, the value of shunt resistance required to convert it into an ammeter of 5 ampere is multiple choice first, that is A, 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 ohm, B 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 ohm, C that is 0.05 ohm, D 2.5 ohm. The resistance of galvanometer G is given data here. G is 25 ohm, requires a 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere for a full scale deflection. The value of that is Ig is given. Ig is 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere, that is Ig is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 ampere. For a full scale deflection, the value of shunt resistance required to convert it into a I is given. I equal to 5 ampere. 5 ampere. What is the yes? Yes equal to what? That is, we have to find V equal to Ig into G. Ig into G. That is V equal to Ig is 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. And G is 25. That is 25s are 125 into 10 raised to minus 5 volt. The V. The formula is, that is, the ammeter is the parallel combination of galvanometer and a small resistance, that is called as the shunt. The total current I, out of the total current I, part of current flows through the shunt resistance, that is I minus Ig. I minus Ig. Ig with the current flows through the galvanometer. I minus Ig with the current. I minus Ig into S equal to Ig into G. That is I minus Ig into S. That is the potential difference across S. And Ig into G, potential difference across the galvanometer coil. S equal to Ig into G divided by I minus Ig. I minus Ig. That is S equal to that is Ig is 5 into 10 raised to minus 5. G is 25 ohm divided by I is what, 5 minus Ig 5 15 microampere. 5 into 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 ampere. I minus Ig. 25 into 5 are 125. 125. That is S equal to 125 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 5 0 0 0 0. 0.5 is written as 5 in minus 0 0 0 0. That is 0.00005. Subtraction is 10 minus 5 5, 10 raised to 9 9 9 9 4. That is S equal to 125 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 5. 4.999 approximately. It is 5. That is 1 to 5 दूनी 10 5 दूनी 10 25 into 10 raised to minus 5. That is S equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 ohm. The multiple choice A is correct. Done? An ammeter, an ammeter, an ammeter, whose resistance, whose resistance, whose resistance, whose resistance is 180 ohm, gives a full scale deflection, gives a full scale deflection, gives a full scale deflection, gives a full scale deflection. When a current, when current is 2 milliampere, 2 milliampere, the shunt required to convert it into an ammeter, reading 20 milliampere in ohm is multiple choice A 1.8, B 20, C 0.1, D 10. The given data, G is given 180 ohm, that is Ig 2 milli 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, milli as 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. And I I equal to 20 milliampere, milli 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 ampere, that is S equal to what? That is S I minus Ig into S equal to Ig into G, that is I minus Ig. S equal to Ig into G divided by I minus Ig, that is Ig is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, G 180 divided by I minus Ig. Ig is I is 2, that is 0.02. 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 written as 0.02 ampere minus, and Ig is written as 0.002 ampere. Therefore 360 into 10 raised to minus 3, 18 into 2, 36, that is equal to 0.02 minus 0.02, that is 8, 9, 1, 0, 0.018, that is S equal to, S is equal to 36 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 18 is written as 18 into 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 3, 18 into 10 raised to minus 3, that's equal to 18 2s are 36. Yes, 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 and 10 raised to minus 3 in numerator plus 3, that is S equal to 20 ohm. Multiple choice B is correct. an ammeter an ammeter, an ammeter, 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 of range, of range, of range, 100 milliampere, has a resistance, has a resistance, has a resistance, has a resistance, has a resistance of 2 ohm, of 2 ohm. Hot resistance, hot resistance, hot resistance, hot resistance, hot resistance, hot resistance should be, should be, should be, hot resistance should be in series, in series, in series with it, with it, with it, to use, to use it as, to use it as, it as voltmeter, 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 of range, of range, of range, of range 1 volt, of range of 1 volt, that is A is 8 ohm, B is 12 ohm, C is 16 ohm, and D is 24 ohm, 24 ohm. That is ammeter of range 100 milliampere, ammeter of range 100, Ig equal to 100 milliampere, 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, that is 10 raised to 2 and 10 ampere Ig, that is G is 2 ohm, and hot resistance should be in series with it to measure V equal to 1 volt, V equal to 1 volt, R equal to hot, that is the voltmeter. Voltmeter is the series combination of galvanometer and the high resistance, galvanometer and high resistance, Ig with the current, that is equal to I V equal to Ig into G plus Ig into R, or Ig in bracket G plus R, by V equal to V, Ig equal to V by Ig, V by Ig, so G plus R, or R equal to V by Ig minus G. V is 1 volt, put the values, R equal to V is 1 volt, Ig 10, Ig is 10 minus G 2, G is 2, that is is 0.1 ampere and minus the galvanometer is 2. Therefore 10 minus 2, 0.1, that is 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 1, in numerator 10 raised to 1, 10 minus 2, that is 8 ohm. That is the multiple choice, A is correct. करा चला हायलाइट करा केला कॅमेरा सुरू जाईल. current gives a full scale deflection, full scale deflection in a galvanometer of 2 ohm. The resistance connected with the galvanometer to convert it into a voltmeter to measure 5 volt is multiple choice A 98 ohm, B 52 ohm, C 50 ohm, C 50 ohm, and D 48 ohm. A 100 milliampere current, that is Ig is given, that is 100 milliampere, 100 10 raised to 2 milli 10 raised to minus 3 ampere, that is milli as 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to 2 and 10 raised to minus 3, that is 10 raised to minus 1 ampere, that is Ig. Then galvanometer resistance is given, that is 2 ohm. The resistance connected with the galvanometer to convert it into a voltmeter. Voltage is given, potential difference is given, that is 5 volt. We have to find the R, that is V equal to Ig into G plus Ig into S equal to V, or Ig in bracket G plus R equal to V, that is G plus R equal to V or R equal to V by Ig, or G plus R equal to V by Ig, or R, that is R equal to V by Ig in minus G. V is 5, putting the values 5, Ig, that is 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 1, minus G. G is 2. Therefore, R, that 10 raised to minus 1 numerator, that is 50, minus 2, that is R equal to 48 ohm. The multiple choice D is correct. चलो थांबा, झालं ना? Problem number 6, that is an ammeter of range 5 ampere is to be converted into an voltmeter converted into voltmeter of range 10 volt if the resistance of ammeter is B 0.1 ohm, then what resistance should be connected in series with it, that is multiple choice A 1.1 ohm, B 1.9 ohm, C 2.1 ohm, D 4.9 ohm. Given data, that is ammeter range 5 ampere, that is Ig equal to 5 ampere, then V is 10 volt, G is 0.1 ohm, R equal to what? We know that Ig into G plus Ig into R equal to V, or G plus R Ig equal to V, or G plus R V by Ig, or R equal to V by Ig, V by Ig minus G. R equal to V is 10, Ig 5 minus G 0.1, 0.1, that is R equal to 5 to the power 2 minus 0.1, or R equal to 1.9 ohm. That is multiple choice B is correct. Multiple choice B is correct. Answer is R equal to 1.9 ohm.